So here we go. First of all is our hands-on exercise on how to create your meeting minutes. So first of all, you'll need to create a template for your meeting minutes. So we can just put a prompt in here, create a meeting minutes template for an accurate output of my meeting, provide a structure that could be used for best results. So let's go back to ChatGPT now. Okay, so let's just simply paste in our prompt here to create a meeting minutes template that we can use to provide a structure that could be used for the best results. So here's a structure for the meeting minutes template. You can see that it's actually making it in Canvas. And you can see here meeting details, meeting title, date, time, location, all really important. The agenda overview, let's just go back and read that. Agenda overview 1, 2, and 3. And of course, if there's any additional agenda items, it will put that in too. We've also got the discussion, summary and key points, agenda 1, 2, and 3. And then we've got all of the rest of the things we want, including next meeting details, any follow-up notes that we might want. And here we've got notes and additional comments. Now, what we can do from this is we can actually ask now ChatGPT to create our meeting minutes or actually export those. So let's do that. I'm going to just simply say export to Word. And let's fire that off. And hopefully we'll get a nice Word document exported. Okay, so you can see now the meeting minutes template has been exported to Word and I can simply open that up. And that's really great. So here we go, meeting minutes template, it's already saved it. And if I click on this here, it will open it directly and show me exactly the file. So that's perfect. So I've got exactly what I want to have right here. Okay, so great. I've got that saved on my hard drive. Okay, let's just simply close that down. Okay, so what's the next part? Let's go back to the presentation. So now we need our transcript. So we're going to use a transcript from a meeting. So I'm going to open that in Word and I'll show you a recording that I made and I got a transcript from here that I'm going to upload. Okay, so let's open the Word file and we will look now at our transcript. So let's get the transcript from the board meeting that we made earlier. Okay, so this is a meeting transcript from February the 8th, 10 a.m. this morning, and the participants were Alex, Ben, and Chris. Now, you can see in the transcript here that they started talking about, let's plan the next board meeting. For instance, why don't we start that in early April? How about the 15th? Chris said, that sounds good to me. Alex says, let's go for 2 p.m. And then they started to discuss a little bit further through the informations, and they want to add a strategy for Q3 2026. And it just goes on a little bit further. Okay. So now what we want to do is we've made our template prompt here. We've also created our transcript or got our transcript downloaded. So the final prompt here, for instance, is create accurate meeting minutes from the meeting using the transcript file and follow the meeting minutes template to get the best results. So this is proper flow engineering now. We're actually creating a really good workflow. So let's go into ChatGPT now. And what we're going to do is we're going to put in that prompt. So here it is, as I just mentioned. Okay, so now let's upload the files we need from the computer. And we're going to take, first of all, our transcript, and we're also going to use the meeting minutes template here. Okay, so you can see now we're uploading both of those documents. Create the meeting minutes from the meeting using the transcript file. So this transcript file could be any transcript from any meeting, but we're always going to use the meeting minutes template here because then all of our results will be exactly the same. And I can simply send that off. And using these prompts, you can see that it delivers me exactly the meeting minutes. So here we go. It's merged the meeting minutes template and it's taken those transcripts and merged it exactly into my meeting minutes. So time of the meeting was February the 8th, 10 a.m. You can see that Alex, Ben, and Chris were the attendees. Here was the main agenda, 3 points. The discussion was to schedule the board meeting for April the 15th, 2 p.m. Agenda topics were defined here, financial report, for instance, project updates, and then the new initiatives for the upcoming year, that's 2026. And then they want to go into strategy planning for 2026 as well. And Ben suggested, for instance, Q3 strategy will be prepared, and then we will get some supporting data from recent projects, for instance. The next board meeting will be April the 15th. The next meeting agenda and the final papers you can see put together. You see the action points here from Ben, Chris, and Alex, and then it's confirmed the next board meeting will be on April the 15th, 2025 at 2 p.m. So this is really, really good. And you can see how easily by creating those templates, putting the transcript in, I can get the result.